Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3 Set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the wiper sensitivity on your XPeng vehicle. So, we are changing the automatic wiper sensitivity. You can do that by going into the car settings. Here we're gonna go to window and door, and from window and door we're gonna scroll down until we see window section. Here we have automatic wiper sensitivity, and we can change it from low to very high. So you can also change it from the um, wheel. So you can do that from the wheel. It's up to you, but here we also have an option to do that. We can easily just select from low to medium. We can also select very high. I am the big fan of medium here, and that's how you guys can do it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.